there was an imbalance which finished at that price at 84.50, where if you wanted to be in that short and working it hard, you were able to get another piece of jigsaw puzzle there. And we've just hit another target price there. And that target price, of course, is coming over from over here. It's the RGL. Yes, we've actually got all the way back to last night's RGL at that point. We've sold at $85.40. It's just traded $83.10. It's another $2,000 winner for the short sellers on oil, guys. Look at this. Yesterday, and then again today. And what did I not do? I didn't do any business here. I didn't do any business during that phase. Just took the shorts when the short was lining up with my thoughts, my processes. That's what I'm looking for. Yeah. So easy, guys. It really is that easy if you just stay with it, if you just stay disciplined with the trade, guys. Based on the discount premium to the swaps, this is what the bond looked like. Can anybody see the buy on bonds? Remember I was talking about the 8s and the 9s and the 10s, bond longs? Yes? No? So there was the trade I was talking about. That was the buy trade that we got in, and somebody jumps in and decided to run it hard. And you can see that that run hard made a lot of money. We went 8s, 9s, 10s, all the way up to 28s. 28s. 20 ticks, another $600. Is that not crystal clear discount? Is that blue line not crystal clear discount until we started to change over in this area here and towards the top edges? Yes, it is. Absolutely. So into the top edges, it's game, set, and match. Time to close out that long position. In terms of this narrative, time to close out that long position and say thank you very much, and possibly even sell side reversal coming in. But the long trade is what I like. Why? Well, we called it yesterday, didn't we? We called it yesterday. We called it last night in a tweet, sorry. And the sell side trade is where I'm getting those heavy discounts into those narratives. We talked about it on the daily charts. We talked about the storyline on the dailies. The discount was coming in this area here. We were able to find that trade on the dailies. And we can see that trade on the dailies crystal clear. Buy side treasuries on a macro chart basis. Very, very strong trade. Very, very powerful to be long bonds. And I don't really like the idea of getting short treasuries macro-wise. Of course, micro, there's still going to be opportunities. But I like the idea of long bonds. I like how that fits in with Barclays' comments today that they're putting in a flattener into the 2s, 10s curve. Seems to tie in with what we're doing in bonds as well. And that's always a positive when you hear one of the big banks coming in after we've sent out a tweet last night about long bonds. A big bank comes in and says, we're going to go flattening the curve as well. And that's exactly what they're doing.